No, Lord Jesus, I can't move my head. Anyways, music is a form of divine communication. People, you know, I wonder what is a tissue do for my head. Stop it. Yeah, and I must say, so what I'm doing, right? And it's a joyful way to absorb spiritual nutrients. It's time for us to let the music move us in a game called Feel the Beat. So, as you can see, we have some tissue on our head, and each of us gets a tissue to put on our head. When the music starts, we should start dancing and moving on the dance floor without letting the tissue fall. If the tissue falls off the host's head and we catch it before it touches the ground, we can put it back on our head and continue dancing, right? But if the tissue falls on the ground, the person is out. Of course, last person with the tissue on their head win.
As long as it's not like a dance song, like fling or something like that. Okay, producer? No fling, no flare, nothing like that. Because it's not going to work out. It's just unfair.
Well, I don't know. Let the games begin. Oh, if I have the first game, when I have me play a dancing game, I know I can't dance. But anyways.
End of the night. You're doing things to me.
Fast wine, fast wine, fast wine.
I see you as a queen. Although tell her to move out of the spot, that's the problem. She don't move out of the spot. Oh no. Hey! Hey, 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 hey. This is too easy, producer. This is too easy. Oh!
Sammy with that. Hey, hey, hey,
so much for my big shot. You see what happened? You see why I have to just keep quiet? I'll get it. John Star.
But my next round?
No, one more round? Okay, fine.
We're not really up with
I can do this. I can do this.
Round two?
All right, here we go. Round two. Hold on, let me just balance it. Ooh. All right, there we go.
Boy.
It in the flat part of the head top.
Dancing thing is not really for me. I need them start.
Can we take off our shoes?
No, because no, too much balance.
Hey, where do we go? And everybody, we can bogle in it. Hey, I know your feet, my horn tilting. Hold on, hold on, it's tilting. All right. Hey, fancy, oh you asking and a vacancy. Woo! Okay, caught it. Caught it.
Me, I go put you on that.
Oh, hold on, no, tissue, come on. If you let me. All right.
I better you let me go. This tissue not safe.
You're not staying. You're staying one place. You're supposed to dance on the floor. Yeah, Running Man. Tell her it's being super careful. Like no fear. She's like, don't jump. I know you're feeling me. Why? All right. Okay, fine. Both of us win? Both of us win this round. Can we say that? You're flinging?
Yes.
You must use your head and fling to tell.
Me can't use my head and fling.
You
use your head and fling. You use your head and fling.
So, hold on. Let me try.
Ready?
Yeah.
Come again. Ready?
Catch it. 1, 2, flick. Hey! This is such focus though, such concentration. Oh my God. Okay, fair to say that we both won
All right.
this game.
Anywho, guys.
Maybe we could go into pageants, you know, because you know this is a test.
Boy, the
with
big
pageants.
No, so the crown would have dropped off of your head
Long
the
time,
amount of
long time, because we gone dance and all
Where
of these
will we
things.
Go,
Yeah.
Go.
Anyways.
Weekend Smile continues after the break, guys.
Woo.
Where will we go? Hey, show us there.